July 2017 for bus or MGS 729, or you call it bus 729. And we are starting with the first question. The first question says that suppose you invest 2,000 naira at an annual rate of interest of 6%. Find your balance at the end of year 1 if interest is compounded yearly, semi-annually, quarterly. Now, this question is a repeated question, and of course, I have solved it in the previous video. However, let's do justice to that. Now, suppose you invest 2,000, so that means our principal is 2,000 naira, and interest rate is 6%. So your interest rate I is 6%. 6% is the same thing as 0.06, and your number of year is 1, because they say find your balance at the end of year 1. So if interest is compounded yearly, so if interest is compounded yearly, so you are going to have 2,000 into 1 plus 0.06 raised to power 1 times 1, which is the same thing as 2,000 naira into bracket 1.06. 1 raised to power 1 is the same thing as 1 times 1 is the same thing as 1. Now, of course, the formula we're applying for this is P into 1 plus I raised to power n. If it is more than 1 year, it will be I over m raised to power nm. So this is the formula we're applying. But for the one of yearly, you don't need to put m. Okay, so when you do justice to this, you will now have 2,000 into bracket 1.06. Now if you multiply this, 2,000 times 1.06, because anything raised to power 1 is still the same thing as that thing. Now, using my own phone to get that value, I'm going to say 2,000. You to calculate it from your own end. 2,000 times 1.06 will give us 2120. That's 2,120 naira. That's the answer to the first one. The next one is semi-annually. Now, when you say semi-annually, it means the interest is paid twice in a year. So that's 2,000 into 1 plus 0.06 divided by 2 raised to power 1 times 2. Where did I get these 2 from? Because it's semi-annually, twice in a year. Where did I get 0.06 from? It's from the question. And the 1 is already in the formula. So here now, I'm going to have 2,000 into bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 2 will give you 0.03. Then 1 times 2 will give you 2. So if you say, using my own calculator here from my end, you also try to use your own calculator. Now, we say 0.06 divided by 2 is 0.03 plus 1 is 1.03. Then 1.03 times 1.03. 1.03 times 1.03. That will give you 1.0609. So that's now 2,000 into bracket 1.0609. 0609. Now if you multiply that, 2,000 times 1.06 Use your own calculator from the own end there. 2000 times 1.0609. That will give you 2121.8. That's 2121.8. That's the answer for semi-annually. C for quarterly. So you have 2000 into 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4 raised to power 1 times 4. Now where did I get 4 from? The 4 is quarterly. Anything quarterly means 4 times in a year. 4 times in a year. So if you want to do that, you say, okay, what's your 0.06 divided by 4? 0.06 divided by 4 is 0. So you have 2000 into bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4 is 0.015. Then 1 times 4 is 4. So if you do this, you are going to have 2000 into bracket 1.015 raised to power 4. So of course, to get your final answer for this, you are going to say 1 point. Trying to change my own calculator. Now 1.015 raised to power 4 will give me 1.0613635. 1.061. So that will be 2000 into 1.0613665 36355. 363. Then let's just say 6. So by the time you multiply this together, 2000. How did I get what is in the bracket? 1.015 raised to power 4. Now 1.015 raised to power 4 does not mean 1.015 times 4. That's wrong. What this means is 1.015 in 4 places. Now if you don't have scientific calculator, you can say 1.015 times 1.015 times 1.015 times 1.015. That's in 4 places, and that will give you this. So if you multiply that by 2000, so you are going to have times 2000, 2122.727, 2122.727. That's what you are going to have, 2122.727. Then D, I have monthly. Now when you have monthly, it means the interest is 12 times in a year. So 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 raised to power 1 times 12. Okay. Now with this, now you are going to have 2000 into bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12. Now 0.06 divided by 12 from your own end, what is it giving you? That's 0.005 raised to power 1 times 12 is 12. So you now have 2000 into 1.005 raised to power 12. So what are you going to have? Now if you add this together, that will give you 1.005 raised to power 12. So trying to get the value of this from your own end, your own calculator. From my own calculator here, 1.005 raised to power 12 will give me, so this will be 2000 2000 into 1.06167778. 0616778. That's what you have. 119. So by the time you multiply this with 2000, and you say times 2000, you are going to have 2123.356. 2123.356. Now, why do you have 356? What you actually have is 0.3556. But if you approximate 6 to 1 and add it to 5, of course that will give you 6. And so with this, I have come to the end of the first question. So you are going to join me for the second question. I want to give you time to quickly go through this. Everybody